What if I told you you could make money online without showing your face, just by posting 15-second videos? Yep, I'm talking about YouTube Shorts, and today I'll show you how people are using AI tools to create them and get paid. Shorts are exploding right now. YouTube is pushing them hard to compete with TikTok and Reels, so the algorithm loves fresh content. That means even small channels can blow up overnight. The best part? You don't need expensive gear, just smart ideas, and a few free AI tools. Step 1. Find what's trending. Search keywords like motivational shorts, fun facts, life hacks, or AI tools. Look for videos with millions of views in the past 30 days. Then, don't copy them. Remix the idea. Add your own spin or format, like 3 AI tools that make you money, or 1-minute success tips. Step 2. Create. Use ChatGPT to write your short script in seconds. Then use 11 Labs or Play.ht for realistic AI voiceovers. Grab royalty-free clips from Pexels or Pixabay and edit them together in CapCut or Canva. Add text overlays, upbeat music, and you're done. Step 3. Upload and optimize. Use catchy titles like AI tools that pay you daily and hashtags like YouTube Shorts or Make Money Online. Post 2 to 3 times a day if possible. Consistency is your secret weapon. YouTube's algorithm rewards frequent uploads with more reach. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 10 million Shorts views in 90 days, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. But that's not all. You can also add affiliate links in your descriptions or promote digital products. Every viral video becomes a traffic funnel. So if you want to build passive income with AI plus Shorts, start today. Don't overthink it. Create, post, repeat. Because every second you wait, someone else is going viral. Hit subscribe if you want me to show you exactly how to automate your next video with AI.